Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing fine, and if you are new to my channel, please join me and stay connected throughout my journey. From past days I thought that why not make any recipes related to vegetables, so here I am making. Please stay connected to watch further video. It turned out tasty and marvelous. So here we are going to start making. Ingredients are, you can note down. Here I have chopped 2 tomatoes, 1 onion, 2 to 3 green chilies, ginger and garlic. We have to make a paste of it. So add all the ingredients. This grinded paste will be needed in between the cooking. It makes the food into gravy. Here I have chopped brinjal and I have soaked in water so that it don't turn out black. These are the vegetables chopped finely: carrots, capsicum, brinjal, potatoes and green peas into this much amount. As required, you can increase or decrease if you want. This is fenugreek leaves. First wash it or chop, otherwise do it vice versa. Spring onions. And these are the tomatoes and green chilies which I had already shown. These are beans cut into small pieces, wash, then boil it until it gets soft. You can check out. I had already prepared it. Firstly, you had to do the boiling part. Now to begin with making the recipe. Here I have added cumin seeds into 1 cup of oil or half. Add the onion. After it is fried, we will take it out for garnishing. Now add green onions and fenugreek leaves. Here is the paste which we are adding. You can directly add, but this is good method if you try it. After 1 minute, add green chilies and also tomatoes. Cook it until the tomatoes water vanishes. Mash while mixing. We have to mix it until the moisture is over. The raw smell of ginger and garlic will be gone once it is cooked well. Now here, when I see the difference, that time I am adding the powders like turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon. Then 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. Then 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. Two and a half tablespoons of curry powder. You can also add sabzi masala if you have it. Otherwise this is enough. If you feel that oil is needed, then add it. because at the starting only I added less oil. Add 1.5 tablespoon of salt according to your ingredient, if you want it less or more. To cook the basic ingredients which brings the taste to the recipe, so I am adding water to increase the flavor. Now it's time to add the veggies, step by step all. You can increase the veggies or decrease according to your quantity, as I already said. Combine everything well. So this will be cooked until it gets soft and boiled properly. We will not be adding water at first. Now slowly mix everything well. When you boil the beans, add turmeric and then boil, and also some salt. After 10 to 15 minutes, it will be completely ready. I will not cover the lid now. See how beautiful the color has been. Adding some water. Almost like half glass of water. Now I will be covering the lid, and we have to wait until the 2 whistles come, or 1, and then I'll be taking out in a serving tray. Now it's about to be ready. If you feel more water is there, you can burn it while putting on flame. You can have this recipe with chapatis as I had made it, and sprinkle some coriander leaves and fried onions for better taste, and you can have this with lassi. It's very delicious. You will definitely agree with me if you make it and DM me your recipes picture in my Instagram account, and also give me feedbacks. So it's time to over this vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye. Take care.